I'm doing video as well. Hello, Tony.
Hello.
Say hello to your mother.
Hello, mummies.
And your sister.
I wish you were here and the rest of you, siblings, etc., etc. We're missing you all. Hope you have a great time tomorrow. We're having ours tonight. As you can see, by the beautiful table set.
That's our Christmas tree.
Yeah.
We haven't lighted the candles yet.
It's a huge one. Do the whole room with that.
There's baby Jesus.
Just turn around. And then you need to get the other end of the room for me. Where are you going? Yeah.
And this is Tony's new television set. Huge.
Oh,
Playing Christmas songs. Ooh.
Let's get the table from over here as well, Danny. And then you see Bertie. How lovely. Say hello to Daddy.
Ah, there's a gentleman you know.
Overlooking our dinner.
Overlooking our dinner table. We're going through the hall and into the kitchen. Hello.
Oh yeah.
Hello. That's Gunnar cooking. He's the cooking master of this house. When he joins us. Who's there? Tony Min.
Hello, Mummykins. I'm back.
Yeah.
Mother. What?
Well, I'm not showing them the sink. The kitchen sink.
Oh, very interesting. My mother will be very pleased to see. Yes.
That's the living room. We're standing behind the dining table. Kim's been here, so she knows.
Yes, she said that today.
Come on. Go on.
Me and Daddy.
There they are, father and son.
To my father.
Yeah, to Bertie.
Happy Christmas, Daddy. Right, that's enough of that for a cry.